The YCW intro. It has been a staple part of YCW videos since the start, a testament of our weekly free workshops every Saturday. However, the past is but a stepping stone to a greater future. And what better future than some interesting YCW updates? Hello, my name is Kat Jelani and I am the CEO of YCW. Today we will be talking about the 3 fundamental changes to how YCW will run both in the main branch and in our sister branches. These changes include a new cohort system, thematic workshops, and a huge revamp to our sister branch curriculum. Let's dive right into it. First up is the replacement to the old weekly workshops, the cohort system. The cohort system will guarantee growth and progress as well as encourage collaboration between students as they learn a certain part of our curriculum intensively for 2 months. Here's how it works. Around every 2 months, there will be a 2-week sign-up period where parents can sign students up into 2-month cohort sessions. Each session will be centered around key concepts of a programming language. Some examples are Python data types and formatting HTML with CSS. Now, some of the more difficult cohorts, such as Python data structures, may require prerequisite knowledge to join. Each cohort will have around 3 to 8 students and a cohort lead. Meetings will occur once a week for an hour, led by this cohort lead. And by the end of the cohort session, students will have mastered the concepts the cohort aims to teach, and parents will receive a progress report on their students' learning. Now, YCW wouldn't be YCW without the W. So where did our workshops go? Well, for those of you who enjoyed the essence of workshops and competitions, we will be revamping our current workshop model to make it much more interesting through thematic workshops. Here's how it works. Every 2 months, we will hold a large-scale workshop open to any student within YCW affiliate branches. These workshops will be centered around a certain theme, like game development or robotics, and some events will be even held in venues in person. Each venue will have its share of guest speakers, mini competitions, and prizes. It will be a great way for younger students to experience what a high school hackathon really is like. Finally, we can't forget about our sister branches. If your middle school has a YCW affiliate branch, then they'll also be getting a large-scale revamp. Here's how it works. Classes will last from 10 weeks to 12 weeks. Classes will also cover 1 full course from YCW's course catalog, for example, basics of Python or basics of HTML. Now, there will be a grading system, which we didn't have previously, based on the completion of assignments. These grades will be sent to the parents every so often on a parent portal so that parents are aware of their child's progress throughout the semester. There will also be a final project for each class, lasting around 3 weeks towards the end. This project will not only test students' knowledge on the course they are taking, but also their creativity and collaboration skills. Some may even be worth prize money. Now, if anything here sounds interesting and you'd like to know more, feel free to contact us via WhatsApp or email. Even better, come talk to us personally by joining our main branch Discord linked on our screen. Hope to see you there.